It's a 2016 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Consumer Reports explains the Civic's ride is unusually refined for a compact car. The suspension keeps the car steady and composed overall but the nastiest bumps. Braking is responsive and confident during panic stops. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.